Could this vacuum finally make cleaning less of a chore? We're diving deep into the INTETURE JR400 cordless vacuum cleaner, a device that promises an impressive 55,000 pascals of suction power. Right out of the gate, the upgraded 550-watt motor really makes its presence known. This isn't just a light dust collector. It feels like it means business, ready to tackle everything from fine dust to those stubborn pet hair tumbleweeds. What truly sets the JR400 apart for me is its intelligent approach to cleaning. Forget just 2 or 3 power settings. This vacuum boasts 5 distinct suction modes. It's genuinely thoughtful. You've got a gentle touch for floating dust, a dedicated setting for hair, another for general particles, then one for grains, and finally, that max power mode for when you're dealing with larger messes like spilled pet food. It's like having a custom cleaning plan for every corner of your home, making whole house cleaning feel much more efficient. Now, let's talk about endurance. Nobody wants their cleaning session cut short. The JR400 offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting, which is fantastic for daily tidying. Of course, cranking it up to max suction will bring that down to about 15 minutes, but that's usually more than enough for those really tough spots. The best part: the battery is completely removable. This is a game changer, allowing you to swap in a spare for extended cleaning without waiting for a recharge, which typically takes about 4 to 5 hours. The smart touchscreen is another feature that genuinely impressed. It's not just a fancy display, it's practical. You get a clear readout of your battery life, which is always helpful, but it also intelligently alerts you if there's a blockage. No more guessing why your vacuum isn't performing. It tells you exactly what's wrong and reminds you to clean it. That kind of smart feedback is something you don't often see in this category. Versatility is key for any modern home, and the JR400 delivers. It comes with a telescopic tube, a floor brush with an anti-winding design and LED lights, a brilliant touch for seeing under furniture, plus a crevice brush and a round brush. This means it effortlessly transforms into a handheld vacuum for upholstery, car interiors, or those tricky high-up spots. The adjustable extension tube and the generous 1.5-liter dust cup also add to its user-friendliness. Plus, the multi-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter, ensures that what goes in stays in, keeping your air cleaner. And for peace of mind, INTETURE offers a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer service. That's a strong commitment to their product and their users. Overall, the INTETURE JR400 feels like a genuinely smart and powerful cleaning companion. It combines impressive suction with thoughtful features like the 5 suction modes, removable battery, and that incredibly useful clog alert screen. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can handle diverse cleaning tasks with intelligence and endurance, this one is definitely worth considering. It truly aims to make your cleaning routine a little bit easier, and in my opinion, it largely succeeds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.